We got Brandon's car back in here for a Terminator hood repaint, top and bottom, and then we're going to do a Terminator rear bumper we're going to shave. Then we're going to also paint his roof spoiler tuxedo black to match his roof that we did last fall. And then we're going to cut in Chris's underside of his hood Mystic today. We're going to paint some export mirrors that he brought right here. We actually have 3 sets of export mirrors that we're going to do. This one's actually new old stock, and then these ones from Dubai are all beat up, so we have to repair the glass as well. So we have 3 pairs of these we're going to do. Brent's working on the Jeep, and then we got to repair these side skirts that are trashed for Chris that he broke. The ear right there too. So Austin's in here. We're going to take this hood off real quick for Brandon's car. We're going to scuff and clean the underside, and then I'm going to cut that in, then we'll paint the top side I guess in a couple days after the bottom side dries. That way I can shave the Terminator rear bumper as well. So we're going to do that real quick. You going to help me? Oh, we got to look at Christian's car too. Brent buttoned up the whole engine bay. Got the stock bloomin' onions on there. The new, what are they, Coney struts in the front?
Coney's, yeah.
Coney's in the front.
He's going to have E-box springs, and then I think that's an upgraded sway bar too.
And then we just got the new oil cap that he bought from Ford. He shipped that. So we're waiting on the, well, we already got the compressor, but I think we're waiting on a couple brackets or something to put that on. And then we got the Vortec on there, as you all saw last time. And radiator in, all the correct stickers. This thing's looking good. What do you think, Austin?
Oh, it looks very good.
We painted the sway bar to match the Coneys down here, so it's kind of like a vibrant red color. And yeah, it's almost done. And then we're going to start painting the body. I guess we'll paint the roof, do the body work, and then we'll jam it, paint the doors separate, and the hatch separate. But what kind of tires did Cameron get on the Jeep?
We got some BFGs, some KM2s, I think some mud terrains.
33s?
33s, yeah. We went down for 35s just because he didn't like those fenders rubbing.
Yeah, 35s were way too big.
These fenders, every time we go mudding, these things would just like dent in like another 2 inches.
Well, it ate the tire too, remember?
Yeah, it was. It was pretty bad. So anyways, 33s we never had a problem with on previous Jeeps. It'll never get stuck.
They'd look better anyway, I think. Those 35s were too skinny and tall looking for the lift it had. So anyway, that's what's going on. Brent has been working on Steve's engine bay, welding up some holes on this. We got Tim's done. This is the side you all have seen the mud. Brent welded in this side, so now it's ready for me to start mudding. We still got to cut this lip off that we're going to do. And then it's on to painting the Mystic, and then moving on to Bruce's car, pulling the engine, drivetrain, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to knock this out because this is easy. We'll have this done by the weekend, and Brandon will come pick it up, and it'll look totally different. The only thing he does not have for this car is literally Cobra mirrors for it. It's got the Terminator hood, 01 Cobra bumper, anniversary side skirts, bullet side scoops, Terminator rear, deck lid, Mach 1 cell panels, export tail lights. He's gonna have a shaped Terminator bumper, and then he's got his other wheels too. What wheels does he have? Do you know?
They're Work VSKS.
Work
VSKS.
Okay, well, maybe he'll bring it back so we can see it with the new wheels on there. These are just his winter wheels, and he was rubbing, so I gotta roll the front fenders for him. So anyway, me and Austin's gonna take this hood off, and then we'll be back. See ya. Wave. He's gotta go back to work.
All right, Tyler, what do we got tonight? God, it's late.
85 notch we just picked up.
All right.
Looks rust free. We just modded the trailer today.
Yeah, we did.
Show them what we did. We put new D-rings in there, and then we put a winch on it.
So 85 notch manual window on the driver's side. It's Got a hood scoop, which I think we're going to delete. I've got actually the opposite. I've got the real hood scoop for it. Like, what are those, 87 GT wheels?
Yep.
Anyways, hot car. A lot of fun. Got the new winch, some D-rings on the trailer. Got some in the rear too.
Oh, she stopped.
I know, we're going to have to push a little bit. Alright, so we'll show you guys more here in a minute.